Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to fix the download failed error in WhatsApp. So why exactly does this error happen? There are multiple reasons why the WhatsApp download failed error can happen. I will be going over 5 ways to fix this error. The first thing to check when facing any downloading errors is if you're having problems with your internet connection. Open the Chrome browser or any other browser and open a web page and see if it loads properly. If the web page is loading, then the next step is to turn on airplane mode. Open Notification Center by swiping down from the top and then tap on the airplane icon. Wait for around 30 seconds and then tap on the airplane mode option again to turn airplane mode off. Now check WhatsApp to see if your error has been resolved. The second thing you should check is the download settings for WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap on the 3-dot icon. From the drop-down, tap on Settings. Now tap on the Storage and Data option. Now in the Media Auto Download section, make sure the When Connected on Wi-Fi option says All Media. If it does not say All Media, tap on it and select all the items. And if you have unlimited data, make sure the When Using Mobile Data option also says All Media. Restart your phone and see if the problem has gone away. The next thing to check is whether there is an update available for WhatsApp. Open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button beside WhatsApp, then update it. Restart your phone and see if the problem has gone away. The next thing you should do is clear the cache for WhatsApp. Open Settings on your phone. On the Settings screen, tap on Apps. Next, locate WhatsApp from the list of apps and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage, and then tap on the Clear Cache option. Once the cache is cleared, open WhatsApp and see if the problem has gone away. If the error is still happening, then the most likely culprit is low storage on your phone. Open Settings, tap on Battery and Device Care, and then tap on the Storage option. You should have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes of free storage space on your phone. If you do not have free storage space, then you will need to clear data on your phone by deleting photos, videos, or unused apps. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.